Welcome to another edition of Breaking News brought to you by Source Selection Soundbites. Today we will discuss the case of Noble Supply and Logistics, Inc., or Noble decided at the General Accountability Office, or GAO. This case is a pre-award protest that was launched before the solicitation closed. The protest challenged the agency's use of a highest technically rated, reasonably priced source selection methodology when establishing single award BPA with Federal Supply Schedule FSS contract holders. The protester does not believe that this best value methodology is allowed to be used in the FAR 8.4 environment. The protester argues that the solicitation's evaluation and source selection methodology fails to meaningfully consider price in contravention of applicable procurement laws and regulations. The agency responds that its evaluation of vendors' pricing solely for reasonableness is appropriate and consistent with our decisions regarding the use of a highest technically rated, reasonably priced selection methodology. En route to finding against the agency, the GAO explained that the statutory guidance governing the Federal Supply Schedule procedures require a process that results in the lowest overall cost alternative to meet the needs of the federal government. In addition, the provisions of FAR Part 8, implementing the use of the FSS program, require agencies to review vendors' FSS schedules and then place orders and establish BPAS with schedule contractors that can provide required supplies or services representing the best value to the government and resulting in the lowest overall cost alternative to meet the government's needs. At a minimum, GAO continued, a comparative consideration of price in conjunction with any additional features and benefits to the government is required. Thus, the use of a highest technically rated, reasonably priced source selection methodology is not permitted in the Federal Supply Schedule environment. Therefore, the protest was sustained on that basis. Now let's address a few of the lessons learned from this protest. They include: 1. The GSA schedule procedures require the best value procedure that results in the lowest overall cost to the government, price and all other factors considered. 2. Trade-off and LPTA procedures comply with the statutes governing GSA schedule awards. And 3. The highest technically rated, reasonably priced procedure is not compliant with statute because it does not weight price and technical benefits before choosing the best value quotation. In this episode of Source Selection Soundbites, we discuss the Noble case and the best value procedures allowed in the FSS environment. This concludes today's Source Selection Soundbite. If this video was helpful, hit the like and subscribe button to ensure you don't miss any new material. If you want more details on the subject, they are available on the Source Selection Answer app. It contains lectures, quizzes, court cases, sample documents, and more material that allows practitioners to quickly obtain actionable knowledge. Thanks for watching. See you next time.